There are many useful tools within ATAK that are built in. You can also have a lot of plugins, and you may use some more than the others, and it may be very convenient for you to adjust your toolbar and what you have in the hamburger menu. Within ATAK, there's a few ways to do this. The easiest one is by using this little pencil here. You can now hide tools that you do not use, and they will no longer appear in your menu. For example, I don't use the gallery feature or the alert, and I use Bloodhound, but I don't like to use it as much, so I'm gonna move it down. And the great thing about it is you can also save these as different toolbars. So we'll change this one to new, done, and save it. So now when you're in your menu, you can change the view to something else, like default or new. You can also change the items in these menus too. So let's get rid of this one here. We'll drag it over, and instead let's go and put data packages. So we'll take data packages and drag it over, and let's save that in the new feature, and now we have data packages in our quick hotbar. It's very simple. There's many ways to do things in ATAK. However, that's the one that I found to be the easiest for me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. And if there's anything else you want to learn about ATAK, also reach out or leave a comment.